My name is Barbara. I'm 41 years old. I'm from Las Vegas, and I'm a bartender. And I have 3 kids and 1 grandkid. I started because I wanted to lose weight. Just the birth of my new granddaughter. I just wanted to be as active as possible, having the new baby in the family. Basically just to lose weight. My mom was going through some stuff with some diabetic issues, and I just didn't want my path to go there as well. So I figured I had to start now. So I hesitated to join because I didn't want to fail. I wanted to succeed, and I wasn't doing anything to help myself before. It just felt like such a big task to ask myself, and I knew that it was going to be a really big change in my life. I wanted to be successful, and I was scared that that wasn't going to happen. It's been really good. It feels like no matter what, like she never makes me feel like I'm failing. Like even if I don't hit all my goals, she's always like, oh, but what did you do? Like, what did you hit? Like, she's always really encouraging. She's like a friend. Like, this is my first time meeting her in person, but I felt like I already knew her in person. You know, she's really engaging, and she never makes you feel like you are doing something wrong. She always looks at the positive, and it's really encouraging. Like, and she understands life. She understands, you know, that life gets in the way, and she helps you work through it. I love her. I was really surprised that I did lose the weight, but I was also surprised of everything that I gained. I gained a lot of confidence. I didn't realize that I was even missing. I started doing things on my own again because I'd never really went anywhere by myself, and it really encouraged me to I can step outside the box. I can go on that walk around the park by myself without having a crutch of a person to be there, because Eva was always there. She was always there to help me do that. So I didn't feel alone, even though I was doing it alone. She gave me a lot of my confidence back with the program. And I was really surprised because I didn't realize I was even lacking it. I lost 40 pounds total. My original goal was 20, and then we went to 30. And then she was like, what do you want to do? I was like, well, let's just see where it goes. And then we ended up at 40, and we're not done. This is the thinnest I've been. I have better heart health now. I feel like I have more energy. I can do things with more ease a little bit. Like, I'm not so winded. Like, when I exercise, I don't feel so out of breath. I can lap my fiance on walking around the park, he gets tired before I do. I feel better. I would tell them that just do it. You just leap in and do it. And it's not hard, and it's something that you can incorporate into your everyday life without feeling like it's an extra task. And you have so much support, not just with Eva, but the other girls that are there with you, that you don't feel alone, and she won't let you fail. And if you fail, then just do it again. You're not going to be perfect all the time, but as long as you just keep doing it, she's always there to encourage you and keep you going.